In this video, we'll be reviewing how to register new labels on bells. If you're on the licensing dashboard, switch over to the label registration dashboard and click Register Brands/Labels. Click the Search button and select the licensee submitting the registration. Select the license you're applying under, answer the remaining questions, and continue. Click the plus button to add your first label. You can only enter labels in one submission if they share a distributor territory. Enter the name and product type. Continue by entering the TTB COLA number or indicate why you're exempt and upload an image. Enter the size formats you'll be selling so you and the wholesaler can post prices on each one. I've added a 6-stall, 4 16-ounce cans, and 30 12-ounce cans. Continue adding labels using the plus button. You can also use the packages/containers section to add size formats for different vintages. For instance, I'll put 2021, 12,750 milliliters. And you and the wholesaler will be able to post prices on both of these now. Next, search for your distributors by name or license number. Select each license and continue. Indicate the territory for each wholesaler down to the municipal level, making sure there are no overlapping areas. You can now create a distributor template to reuse the territory you entered on the previous screen by clicking plus, naming it, selecting it, and clicking Save Current Selection. On a new label, it can take up to 40 seconds to select a distributor template. We're hoping to have that cut significantly in late January 2025. At the end, select the declaration and submit.